Cutting it close, understanding the phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting English phrase, cut it close. This phrase is commonly used in everyday conversation, and understanding its meaning and usage can really enhance your English skills. So, let's get started. Cut it close is an idiomatic expression in English. It means to barely manage to do something just in time, with very little margin for error or delay. This phrase is often used in situations where someone is rushing or doing something at the last possible moment. For example, if you arrive for a train just before it leaves, you might say, "I really cut it close." The phrase, cut it close, has its roots in careful measurement or timing. Imagine cutting a piece of material with only a small amount left to spare. That's cutting it close. Over time, this literal action turned into a figurative phrase used to describe narrowly achieving something or avoiding a problem. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. Arriving just in time. I got to the airport just as they were making the final boarding call. I really cut it close. 2. Meeting deadlines. I submitted my project at 11:59 p.m., just before the deadline. That was cutting it close. 3. Avoiding trouble. She managed to swerve and avoid the obstacle on the road at the last second. She really cut it close. Now, let's practice using the phrase in sentences. I cut it close at the meeting today, arriving just as it started. You're cutting it close if you think you can study the night before the exam and still do well. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, cut it close. I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Remember, English is full of such idiomatic expressions, and learning them can be both fun and useful. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.